Whether you're taking a hike, gardening in your backyard, or even taking a walk around your neighborhood, math is all around you. Not just in the architecture of the buildings you see, or the physics and chemistry that goes into making streets and sidewalks, but also in nature itself. Math can sometimes seem abstract, but it is found easily in the plants that surround us every day. Take a walk as a family in your neighborhood, and if you see, you can find some of the basic mathematics.
Morning everyone, I'm Rose and Sidolfin. For today's video po ay ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang mga different patterns in nature.
Symmetry is the property of an object to be able to be divided into two identical mirror halves. The axis of symmetry is defined as the imaginary line along which an object can be folded or be divided into two identical mirror halves. One shape is exactly like the other shape when it is moved, rotated, or flipped. A proportionate and balanced similar that is found in two waves of an object. A line that cuts a shape exactly in half.
Today I am Catherine Ripon. I discuss is about geometric patterns in nature.
Math can be applied to almost everything in the real world. Some of it can be sweet to use like counting fruits or adding and subtracting money. Shapes are around and can take many different forms. Math also appears in less obvious ways such as shapes. This type of math is called geometry. It can deal primarily with lines and shapes. Example of geometry in nature. Nature is filled with many geometrical shapes. This includes cycles found inside trees, fruits, hexagons, and behaviors, plants, and curved flakes and triangles in animal noises and ears.
Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn Tibito. I'm discuss fractals in nature.
Fractals in nature. Once the basic concept of a fractal is understood, it is shocking to see how many unique types of fractals exist in nature. Some of the most common examples of fractals in nature could be include branches of trees, animal circulation systems, snowflakes, lightning and electricity, plants and leaves, geographic terrain and river system, clouds and crystal. A fractal is a kind of pattern that we observe often in nature and in art.